Day. Judgment Day. Hukman taning atong patatas kay namatay naman ang plant, so the potato plant is dead already, so I need to dig it out, because if you don't dig it out, they start to grow. The potatoes under inside will start to grow. So hukman taning fork kani akong gamiton kay aron dili kayo madaot. Tanaw na to. Let's see if I have some potatoes here, which I'm hoping there is. Kalisod ba eh? Naon ay ito. Di lang ta na ako madugkal ang kuan unod. I did it. Di lang na ako na gamiton ang fork. Samok. I need something. Hey! Lakadaghang kuan oy. Let's see. So I'm just gonna use my hands to dig out my potatoes. My first one. There's so many bugs. Oh my god, the bugs are eating me. Pretty sure it's a lot of them are small. Look at that. I don't know why. So whatever. Dugkal ang unod. Well, this part here is not a really good one. Kasi nga tambok ra ni. Nya way unod. Pasilan. So there's some garlic seeds here. I'm gonna spread them. There are some garlic here. Well, it's gonna come back next year. There's one. Okay, next. Gumayrag unod bay. Hago-hago lang isa. Let's see. Potatoes. Okay. Okay, the plant is already dead, so I need to dig it out, or it's gonna be crazy. Ew! Look at that, they're small. But I like the small one. I like them better than the big one. Well, if you can harvest like how many pounds of potatoes? Last year I did harvest like 60 pounds of potatoes. I don't know. Katako bagid kayo ning akong fork oy. And they are gagmay. They are very small potatoes. It's where? potato plant. Namatay na lagi na. Di na ako makita ang plant. Dako ra ba kayo akong box? May ulay sulod. Ngisi. Ah, there it is. Ah! Okay. Nakurat na ko sa liwate. Ay, liwate. Well, well, well. See? Next. Katong sa pikas. Hulo. Di ango-ango. Ay, kadag ko sa liwate. Nadugsak ko na. So, nadugsak. I don't know, I'm not digging them really well. It's just like, I think there's more underneath. Ah! Lagi na. Sakit akong kilid. See that? Potatoes. Wow. Kadako sa akong tinidor. Oh my goodness. Daghang bags, kakaunang kong bags. Nabaya po yung harvest. Mga gagumay. Uban lang po biya po. Dahil makita ang ano. Labyan na ako. Makita ang akong hawak. Ay. Ah. Ang kinabuhi sa uma nas bukid mashed potatoes. Magbalot ang patatas. Ay, namatay na. Ang bitaw, init kay ganina niya. Binakong di ko makakalot sa patatas karon kay. Oh, grabe ka init. So, i-cool down na ang temperature. See? Kamayra? Kamayra man. Ang gagmay. Nagkalot ng potatoes. So guys, ako mong gitor sa akong garden. Kay ako na ning pangkalot-kaluton niya. Kuhaan na akong video nga kanang the whole garden. Yeah. Well, it's not a good harvest. Sometimes I harvest like big one. These are red potatoes. Red potato were different ba unta na ako itanom pero it didn't give me a lot of potatoes like I was expecting that they're big because the plant is big. Patatas. Kay akong pagtanom ani ingat ko gyapon nga nanay iyang mga taas na kayo siya. Hapit na hayang. Harveston kay why nada. Whoop. Oh, naidadugkal na ako. Yung tinidor na dugkal. Saan kang lamok? Iko ka. Uy! Dire. Pusok na. Ito'y lami. Ang lamok. Oh. so excited. Ilan na baka oras? Ah! Shoot. Muning problema aning magamit kag fork kay matusok ang potatoes. Woo! Init kayo! Tulo ang akong singot! Too hot! But we need to dig out the potatoes. Kay patay na, it's dead. The plant is dead. Eh. Oh boy. Some mice eat my potatoes. Hey! There's a crazy cat. What you doing here? Oh, I got a big one. Big one. Well, some are really big, but it's okay. Oh my God. I really got it. kay ni sa potatoes. I'm hoping nga na ay makuha na ako anak ko. That's unbelievable. Oh boy. Grabe ang dako kayo. May ulot. Bugat. Okay guys. Muna ni akong harvest diri nga side. Kani. This is my harvest here. And then I'm gonna do the other side on the other side of the thing. Okay? Alright. Thank you for watching my video. And amping mo per me. Please take care of each other. See you in part 2 of my digging of my potatoes. So naapod ko'y dagko di ay. Dagko akong potatoes pod. Anyway, tiwaso na ako dig tong sa pikas nga side kay aron mawala na akong trabaho tanan. Dunganon lang nako sila og dig. Okay. Thank you for watching and see you in the part 2 of my digging of my potatoes. See you in my part 2 of digging my potatoes. Thank you. Amping mo permitanan and please take care of each other. Bye.